COPPA is coming for your videos if they are aimed at children, and you're going to lose a load of features. Hello and welcome back to another video. COPPA, which is the Child Online Protection Act, in which I always forget the extra P, but bear with me. The general consensus is they want to protect children from advertisers and creators online that may be trying to leverage them as a income source. This now means that you can't create any content that is specifically aimed at kids unless you flag that it is aimed at kids, and then if you do, you'll lose a lot of features that could affect you, your business. And it can also affect how you grow, because at the end of the day, if your content's not desirable, maybe you can't share it, maybe people won't recommend it, and therefore you're kind of just spinning around a drain whilst the FTC is shooting at you like a fish in a barrel. Now the FTC on top of this are going to go out their way to try and slam you with £42,000 fines for every video that you miss. I've got a video somewhere up here or in the playlist at the end of this video, but I want to list to you the things that you may lose so you can best understand how this is going to hurt you and your channel, and maybe you need to pivot or maybe reassess how you make your income from this site going forwards. When you turn the setting on the main settings menu, you'll see that you've got a choice between made for kids or not made for kids. It will highlight that you'll lose the following features: comment sections, suggestions, end screens, info cards, personalized ads, which will mean that you will get lower ad rates. Hasbro can't specifically aim at your video because you've got a toy that's made by them. They can't aim a specific advert at your video to that child, which I can understand, but it also means that generalized ads now play on your channel, which could be slightly more dangerous, but it will drop your CPM rate. This will hurt the income that you can make from ads. You will get no stories and no community tab. Not only can you create the content, but it won't be suggested. You can't comment with your audience. It's going to be hard to share it. You can't discuss it in your community filter, and you'll make less money for it. This is the thing that could potentially kill a child-based channel. This could be the sledgehammer that they're trying to drive a nail in with, rather than just using common sense. If you want more information on how this can hurt you, on how the FTC are coming after you, and other YouTube creators and educators' point of view on this topic, I've done a playlist here, and here is a video showing you how you can change the setting so you try and get yourself out of dodge, or you can be honest and stick to the terms of service and guidelines like you're supposed to.